Welcome to Classlet Tuition Centre. We have 3 unique programs tailored to your child's needs. These are Classlet Exam Lab, Post-16 classes, and Classlet Classroom programs. Our Exam Lab is a top-quality online platform to help your child prepare for and pass admission tests such as 11+, 12+, 13+, and Cat 4 for grammar and independent schools. The course covers key areas like verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning, maths, and English. It is designed for schools that use the GL assessment for testing, such as Bexley, Kent, Medway, and other educational authorities in England. Our GCSE classes are specifically tailored and designed for students in Year 7 to Year 11. Our goal is to accelerate their progress and enhance their understanding of key subjects in English language and literature, mathematics, and science. These classes are structured to meet the diverse educational needs of our students, ensuring that they receive comprehensive support and guidance throughout their academic journey. Our post-16 classes are specifically designed for students in Year 12 and Year 13 who are preparing to take the A-level GCSE mathematics examinations. These classes offer a focused curriculum in mathematics. The classes are taught online via Zoom. By providing in-depth instruction and resources, we aim to equip our students with the knowledge and skills necessary to excel in their chosen fields and succeed in their examinations. At Classlet, our main objective is to assist parents in navigating the educational landscape, irrespective of their financial status, in ensuring that their child's academic journey is successful and fulfilling. We strive to provide support and resources that will enable students to attend top selective schools, which may have previously seemed out of reach or inaccessible due to various circumstances. Our commitment is to level the playing field, allowing every child the opportunity to benefit from a high-quality education and the advantages that come with being part of prestigious academic institutions. Classlet Tuition Centre, accelerating progress.